Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and I wanted to share a quick design team project for Craft Supplies for You. And as always, I'll put the links to the stores in the description box. And this is the project I just finished making, and it's a wall hanging. And inside, I have a round wooden disc, and I used that as the base this time rather than just doilies. So I put some felt on either side of the wooden disc, and then I added some bleached muslin, and then I just went from there. Now on the top here, I added this. You can't see a lot of it, but it's the wide panel lace in cream that Julie has in the store. I think there is still some left, but I'm not positive, so don't quote me on that. For anything that I, let you know that it's Craft Supplies for You, you do have to check to see if it's still in there, because Julie had a huge sale and a lot of things sold out. But she is getting new things back in as we speak. So I decided to use this black and white bridal photo, and I put some batting behind that, and then I went around it with this trim here. I don't know what you call it. I don't know if you call it GIMP or not, but this is Craft Supplies for You. And then the next thing I did was I went around the circle with this box pleated trim that I had green tea dyed, and this is from the store. And then this pearl trim is from the store, but I know she's out of this, and she's been trying to get it back because it's my favorite, but she hasn't been able to get it back again yet. And then down the bottom, I have several layers of dangles, and I guess I'll show you the back. I put one of my doilies from my stash in the back, and on the very back there's this trim here, and it's a fringe trim, and this is from the store, and you can't see much of it. And then this white fringe here is also from the store. And then this is, I guess, the only way I can show you, because okay, and this is from my stash. And then this leaf dangle trim, that's from the store, but I know she sold out of that, and she's trying to get this back in also, and I just love this. And then this one's from the store, and I'm not sure if she has any of this left. And this is also from the store, and I'm not sure about this one either. And then I just did some embellishing. There's little holes down the bottom here, so I put these little blue and clear rhinestone flowers on each one. I added this pearl and rhinestone bling piece to the middle here, and that's from my stash. And then this flower here, and then the flowers over here, that was all one applique, and that's from the store. And I know if it's sold out right now, they're going to be back in a matter of days, I think, for this one here. And I added my little rhinestone buttons, and then my the white acrylic flowers with the rhinestones. And then what else did I do? I think that might be it. I think that's it, actually. And so, yeah, I like how it came out, and I just wanted to use that image, and I wanted to keep it, because it's a bride, I just wanted to keep it to creams and whites. So the only color I added were these little blue flowers, and I just love those. And I just thought it just needed one touch of color, because brides pick colors, right, for like their attendants. So that's it. And I'll be back again soon with a DT package and haul of new things that will be in the store shortly. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I will be back again soon with another video. Bye for now.